Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive the Lamborghini Urus Performante. First, locate the distinctive red cover over the Start/Stop button in the center console. Lift the cover, then press the button firmly while holding the brake pedal to ignite the powerful engine. Once started, use the Anima selector to choose your preferred driving mode, such as Corsa for track performance or Strada for comfortable cruising. This initial setup ensures you're ready for an exhilarating experience. The Urus Performante offers several Anima driving modes, each tailoring the vehicle's dynamics. Strada provides a smooth ride, Sport sharpens responses, and Corsa unleashes maximum performance. Experiment with these to find your preference. For more control, use the large, ergonomic paddle shifters behind the steering wheel to manually change gears. You can also fine-tune the adaptive air suspension to suit different road conditions, enhancing both comfort and agility. With over 650 horsepower, the Urus Performante demands respect. Accelerate smoothly to maintain control and fully appreciate its incredible power. Always be mindful of the vehicle's substantial width and potential blind spots, especially when maneuvering in tight spaces. The high-performance braking system is incredibly effective, but practicing smooth, progressive braking will ensure you stop safely and efficiently. Always drive responsibly and within your limits. The Urus Performante features a sophisticated infotainment system with dual touchscreens. Take time to customize your settings, from navigation to climate control, for a personalized driving experience. Utilize the advanced driver assistance systems, like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, to enhance comfort on longer journeys. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your Urus Performante in peak condition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.